Okay, I did her hair, and this was how it turned out. These are crochet braids that, well, are like kinky twists, and you crochet them in instead of doing every single kinky twist, and I think that this is the best thing ever. It's been like, her hair has been like this for about 2 months, and I think it still looks great. Did a little touch up, and it's still looking really pretty. I curled the ends. I'm gonna do a I'll show you the tutorial of it depending, like I'll edit it and stuff depending on how many comments and stuff, who wants it, you know. So just showing you the end result, seeing if you want the tutorial. I videotaped the whole thing, so okay.